Check this out, guys. The app I'm about to show you will pay you between $15 to $35 just for playing games on your mobile phone. There are several payment methods on this app. There is PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and there is also bank transfer. So whichever method you prefer, you can be paid through that method on this app, okay? You can also withdraw as low as 50 cents if you're withdrawing through crypto. Now, what I simply want to share with you in this video is how you can start making money from playing games online. Perhaps you have been playing game with your phone, maybe at your free time. I want you to understand that you can actually earn some extra cash for yourself playing those games that you love. Now, through these apps, I'm going to show you can also earn money in different ways, not just playing games. You can earn money through surveys. You can earn money by simply downloading apps. You can also earn money by watching videos on those apps I'm going to share with you in this video. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by playing fun games. So if you're just seeing me, my name is Chidi, and I'm very enthusiastic about helping you make money on the online space. I will appreciate it if you can give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and then turn your notification bell on to always get updated whenever I post beautiful content that can possibly make you money on the online space legitimately. With all that said, let's jump right into the video. Here on my list are 3 trusted and tested apps that will make you huge amounts of money if you watch this video to the end. The third on my list will actually pay you $5 just for signing up on that app. So follow me closely as I walk you through these apps. Before I mention the name of this app, let me quickly inform you that these apps are worth trying. I myself has tried it and it's actually paying. The first app on my list has been rated 4.6. These are some of the recent reviews from this app to show that this app is genuine. This person right here says that he was a bit skeptical at first, but when he started playing games, it started to actually become true. Another review here says that he just cashed out $20 from this app, that he has used bank transfer and also PayPal to withdraw from this app, and so many other positive reviews about this app. So guys, if you're looking for how you can make your first online money, do not skip any part of this video. This is my dashboard and this is the amount of money I've been able to make from this app. All you want to do is to download this app from your Play Store. That's if you're using an Android. Just make sure you complete an offer that you choose and make a lot of money for yourself. So head over to Play Store and search for Free Cash. Download it on your phone and sign up with your email address and password. Make sure you agree to their privacy policy. So after you're done signing up on this app, this is what the interface will look like. Now you scroll to the bottom of this page where you will find Earn. You simply click on it to see offers that are available for you. Now you want to earn money through playing your favorite games, right? All you want to do is to come up here and click on Games to see available games for you, just as you can see here. So you simply click on a game you want to play. Once you click on this game, it will tell you to install the game and reach a certain level within a speculated period of time. Just like this one here that says you have to reach level 42 to earn $9.90. So you go ahead and click on the green button that says earn $9.90 now. Now the price you're seeing on this game is depending on the game you're playing. Some of these games has $35, some has $7, some has $15. So you pick the one you want and then you play. So once you click on this green button, it will automatically direct you to Play Store where you're going to install this app on your mobile phone to start playing and making money for yourself. So do this the way I shared it here, and you will find out that it is very easy to use and it is free as well. Another app that will reward you for playing games is called Swagbucks. This app right here has been rated 32.5K on Trustpilot. It's 5K on App Store and 115K on Google Play. There are several tasks you can do on this app. You can answer survey, you can watch videos, you can also play games and earn points that we transform into cash that you can withdraw through PayPal. Now, if you're from my country or from any third world country, you may not be able to get this app from your Play Store. You can only access it through their website by simply going to your browser and type swagbucks.com. And this is the interface you will see. All you just have to do is to sign up with your Google account or your email address, and you make sure you agree to their terms and conditions. So let me also inform you that this app is free to access. You just download it on your phone or you access it via your browser and you sign up and start making use of it. You don't need to pay any fee or subscribe to anything before you can be able to earn from this app. It is totally free and easy to use. And the last on my list is called Inbox Dollars. This app pays you $5 instantly. Immediately you're signing up to this app, it pays you $5 and it is free. You can play games for money, you can take survey, you can also read emails and get paid on this very app. You can earn between $5 to $20 per task. And their withdrawal method is via PayPal or Amazon gift card. Now, this app may not really be available for all countries like Nigeria or Ghana, or if you're from any third world country. So to be able to get this app on your phone and also earn from it, you have to use your VPN. I actually used my VPN to be able to access it. So you have to get your VPN to be able to make money from this app, because once you try accessing this app without the VPN, it will tell you that this app is not available in your country. So you can sign up on Inbox Dollars with either your Google account, your Apple account, or your email, and make sure you agree to their terms of use. Okay guys, I hope you got value from this video. I would appreciate it if you drop your thoughts right on the comment section. Also, give this video a like and then subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Until my next video, it is bye.